Hello, right now, welcome to part 7 of project 1, making a Flask server. And right now we are working still with the headers. We are going to work with the navigation bars. So depending on the path of the request, you are going to, depending on the URL, you are going to get the depending on the URL, you're going to get that you're going to make it active. And the layout, I created something. We are going to change the color later, but I created a class called active. This is going to be triggered. It will be assigned to the tab, to the in here navigation li. So the list item is going to become active if depending on the URL that you have. So let me show you what I have right now. I'm going to change this. That's why I have the space. I'm going to add stuff. I'm going to create something in here, but first I want to show you. We are on the header and we added this code into this curly brackets and percentage. We write code, right? So this is an if statement. If the path is like /, then make the home active. Okay, now instead of us hard coding this, we are going to use the name of the function. So I will show you how to do that in a moment. But first, let me open the CSS again. Open file, CSS, static, CSS, header, no, layout. So I have everything in the layout. Maybe later, if I am going to have a lot of stuff, I could just have my own header. CSS. Okay, so I am here in the active. I put a color red. I will change it later. Okay, and I will change this later. Okay, the background color for the body will be changed, and the background color for the list item or for the menu, let me see, active page menu, is going to be changed. Now let's come back and to the header and let's write code, right? So let's open this and let's make variables. So we are going to create a variable called dfunctions. It doesn't matter what name you call it. I'll just call it dfunctions. So underscore functions is lowercase. It doesn't matter. Dfunctions. And that will be a list. So D for dispatcher, so it's gonna be called dispatcher functions. That's why it's D. There I have it. And then I will create a list, and then I will put inside this list the name of my dispatcher functions right here. Right here, I only have a dispatcher function called home. So I'll call this home. I don't have more functions in here, but I will just put, just in case for now, I'll put login function, actually contact function. and then I will put the other one to be called home function, contact function, and the other one I'll call it login function. And I will also have a logout function. I don't have those dispatcher functions right here, but it's there. And instead of us putting /, we're going to put this URL underscore full for what? For home. No, but before we do that, let's create a for loop. For open the curly brackets percentage for let me call it function, or I'll call it element. I don't know, let me call it element for now. No, let's call it function, the function. For df, for the function, in the underscore the function, now I will put in here df, so you know, instead give me a second. And then we are going to use this. We are going to this URL for df. Any name you want. No. You know, the only problem here is the actually, and I don't want, yeah, I want, you know, outside this, in case, just in case, you know, actually, yeah, because I want this one important, because I want this to the right, and I don't need this one. Yeah, I could do something and just make it worse, but for now, yeah. And for loop, and for loop. And this is not going to be home. This is going to be okay. So let me continue on this, and I'm going to put the F, and there in here the filters. You see, this pipe is to make filters in there, so I will put capitalize. I don't need to put it like this. I can even leave it. Now we call this function. We don't need to use the login or the logout. I don't have any logout here yet, so we'll take out the login. The login, it will be here. Now for the contact, I don't have anything for contact, but I need to have a function that will return something for contact. So oops, and so I need to create it here. So that I will just copy all of this, and since I don't have anything to put it there, paste. I'll call this contact, and I will just call it contact. And then I don't have any contact page yet created for this, so it will be, I will just return something that says hello, call me, and save. So now there's run, and there you go, we are here. In the contact you won't be able to see anything because I haven't just saying something that says call me, but I don't have anything right there right now. And now let's continue in the next part. We're going to select better colors, and then we're going to fill out this home page, and then what else? Yeah. That's it. Yes. Okay. I have 10